Hello and welcome. This is Professor Gautam Vora. I am a professor of finance at the university and I am asked to teach these online sections of Management 326. One section is for the managed online program, whereas the other section is the regular section of the course. I joined the university in 1989 after teaching at Indiana University, Bloomington, Indiana, and Penn State University at University Park, Pennsylvania. These are the main campuses of the respective university. I have taught finance at the undergraduate, MBA, executive MBA, and doctoral levels. I have taught courses in corporate finance, investments, security analysis, portfolio management, and derivatives. My formal education has resulted in several degrees, namely one bachelor's in accountancy, four masters, international finance and banking, accounting, finance, economics, and one PhD degree in finance. Additionally, I am a CFA charter holder. The CFA designation is recognized worldwide as the gold standard for investment industry. My research interests lie in the fields of corporate finance, investments, derivatives, and the creative industry. I am glad that you have chosen to take this course in the second half of spring semester. It would be delightful to have you for the 8-week period where we will explore different topics of finance. Incidentally, remember, you can call me Professor Vora, Dr. Vora. When you are overcome with reverence, you can call me Your Excellency, and so on. I hope to see you soon online